Alright guys, so today we're gonna go get a new project, and as you can see it's a little bit windy and snowy, but it's normal for us in Finland, so no problems. Yeah, so first we're gonna go and pick up a bigger truck, and with that one we're gonna go and get the project. So we have a roughly 300 kilometers to go and see the thing, hopefully make a deal, and then go home. Alright, we got the truck, and since neither me or Matthias have any license to drive the truck, we needed to call in some backup. And yeah, as you can see, the road is a little bit snowy and windy, but seems to go good. So we still have roughly 150 kilometers to go. So there we have it, on the truck. Let's go home. Alright, now it's a couple of weeks since we got it, and as you can see it's quite dark here in Finland, so we have to improvise with the lights. But yeah, here is the next project. It's a Valmet made forklift, and if we go on the other side, we can maybe see the, yeah, here we can see it's a little bit difficult to get it to focus, but so it's a Valmet made lentokonetehdas. Don't really know what that means, but Valmet is a really known Finnish brand. The model is B12 A1030, made 1976, and it weighs 2,600 kilos and is rated to lift 1,200 kilos. to 3.3 meter. I guess it has seen better days, but everything is, I mean, it's all in all, it's in quite good shape.
Yeah, I'd say so too.
Nothing is cracked or broken, what we found so far. All the windows are complete and not damaged. We haven't found any rust really. So it's, I mean, of course there's a little bit of surface rust here and there, but nothing like rotten. And the cylinder seems to be possible to get opened, so we might need to do some repairs there, but that's only fun. We will most likely need new tires, and some work needs to be done in the interior. It doesn't run and drive at the moment, but the previous owner said that when they put it aside, it did run. It runs on what is it called? Liquid gas?
Yeah, gas.
Yes. And yeah, here you can see Valmet. But then for our American fans, we have a nice surprise.
Let's see if I can get that lid open.
Or fans, but followers at least, viewers. I can grab it.
Now we would need our beloved multi-tool.
Yeah, it's a bit frozen. Do you show the light?
Yeah.
So the engine is a
what was it? Teledyne?
Teledyne Continental motor or engines. Difficult to get it there, but
can we get it to focus?
yeah, now. So it's a Teledyne motor, Teledyne Continental motor. Not really sure what the model is. Something
8053.
Yeah, but there's a lot of numbers before that. Y112 and then a lot of more numbers, but I think we need to check that later on. But yeah, an American motor. Then they seem to have installed some kind of heater that is needed in Finland, at least around here. Yeah, so I hope we can get it to start later on. We have found some issues. The main switch is a bit broken. Oops. Gas pedal doesn't really work. These works, but all the levers seem to be loose and nice. Don't know with the gears. Yeah, they also move. That's nice. Seat might need some attention.
Yeah, maybe we'll put a new one in.
Yeah.
But
Maybe.
all in all, I mean, the only thing that's missing now it's a battery and the gas, and just inflate the tires, and then hopefully we should get it running, and so that we can move it and put it in the garage then.
Yeah. It needs to be, how to say, heated, thawed out. I think it's called. And there we can maybe have a quick look on the, if you come from, get it lifted. See, everything is frozen.
Oh, is it to this?
Yeah. Can take the flashlight. So here you have the engine or motor. So the oil seems to be replaced last time July 2006, so that might be a good idea to change. But yeah, I mean, everything seems to be here, so just need to hope that it starts once we get there. Yeah, here is beneath the floor. So all the hydraulic lines seem to be in okay shape. Some leaks here and there, but that's to be expected. But can we see what's happening here now when we try to push this? And we got it working. The gas pedal works.
Maybe the floor was just pressing on it or something.
Might be. Yeah. Well, I guess it will get a little bit clearer once we get to wash it and see what's happening. Here's a connection, seems to be a little bit on the limit. Yeah. Tilt cylinders.
I don't know what they've done here, if it's just some pressure testing.
Yeah.
Just why they have the extra
Here we have the
point here,
dipstick.
Yeah.
Do we have oil or not? That is the question.
Oh yes.
God damn it, we have oil.
And it looks quite clear.
Yeah. Not even that bad.
Looks promising.
Yeah.
Can we get it back?
Yep. That's nice. What kind of shape are these in? Not the best, I guess. So maybe the oil is, or is that maybe the hydraulic oil?
Yes, I think so. Yeah. I'm not sure how the gearbox, if it has a separate oil or is it connected to the hydraulic. My guess is that it is the same system.
Yeah.
But
yeah, well, it's, yeah, this is the gearbox, so
yeah, say that this is the gearbox and then maybe it's connected somehow to an oil pump, which is then driving the rest of the system.
Yeah. So the engine is wild card still.
Yeah.
Do we find a dipstick for the engine? Wait a minute. Yeah, we found the dipstick for the motor. Let's see what that promises. Not too bad. I would say it's quite good.
Yeah, that looks new also.
And that's good news. These, what is it called?
It's the ignition wires.
Ignition coils.
Ignition coils, yeah.
Seems to be in quite good shape as well. I mean, it's not bad.
No, it looks like the previous owner has done something to it.
There's some wires, maybe to the...
Maybe the lighting.
Yeah, maybe the lights. Yep. So the idea with this is to restore it a little bit. Nothing crazy, but at least check so it works, then paint it, fix all the lights, maybe put some work lights on it, fix all the dials and gauges. Yeah, get it working. Maybe need to replace some of the tires, but let's see. Yeah, sorry for the bad video quality. It's a little bit difficult to get the lights working correctly here.
In the middle of the woods.
Yeah. And it's a bit hard to move it now as well.
Comfy.
And nothing of the beams seem to be like broken or anything, so let's hope that that is the case when we actually get to it. Let us know in the comments if you think we will get it to if you think it will start without any major operations, or if you think this is a total waste of money and time.
And also if you have any good tips on what we should check besides the battery and the battery, oil, gas,
and the motor. We really don't know anything about the motor. So if you have any ideas about the motor, then put it in the comments. It will for sure be a while before we start with it. We need to finish the mill first. But this is the next project, so hope you will enjoy this one as well. See you next time.